Namaste. Today, we are going to learn how to combine pairs of sentences using different conjunctions in English, with explanations in Telugu. Conjunctions are words that connect other words, phrases, or sentences together. In this presentation, we'll explore 5 important conjunctions: because, as, since, if, and when. Let's begin. Because endukante. On our first slide, we have the conjunction because, which in Telugu is endukante. Look at the two original sentences. He forgot his position as a Hindu. He turned a Buddhist. When we combine these sentences using because, we get he forgot his position as a Hindu because he turned a Buddhist. In Telugu, because or endukante is used to show the reason why something happened. Here, the reason he forgot his position as a Hindu is that he turned a Buddhist. This conjunction helps us understand the cause and effect relationship between the two actions. As nattu. Moving to our second slide, we have the conjunction as, which in Telugu is nattu. The original sentences are, Bayaji came home. His wife felt very happy. When we combine these using as, we get his wife felt very happy as Bayaji came home. In Telugu, as or nattu is used to show that two things happened at the same time or that one thing happened because of another. Here, Bayaji's wife felt happy at the same time when he came home, or she felt happy because he came home. This conjunction helps connect actions that occur simultaneously or have a cause-effect relationship. Since nati nunchi. On our third slide, we have the conjunction since, which in Telugu is nati nunchi. The original sentences are, Bayaji's children came home. Bayaji returned. When we combine these using since, we get Bayaji returned since his children came home. In Telugu, since or nati nunchi is used to show the reason why something happened, similar to because. Here, Bayaji returned because his children came home. This conjunction helps explain the cause or reason for an action. If unte. Now on our fourth slide, we have the conjunction if, which in Telugu is unte. The original sentences are, you may not attend the class. You don't want to come again. When we combine these using if, we get, if you don't want to come again, you may not attend the class. In Telugu, if or unte is used to show a condition. Here, the condition is you don't want to come again, and the result is you may not attend the class. This conjunction helps express conditions and their possible results. When eppudu. On our final slide, we have the conjunction when, which in Telugu is eppudu. The original sentences are, Bayaji was about to come down the stairs. Then it crumbled down in flames. When we combine these using when, we get when Bayaji was about to come down the stairs, it crumbled down in flames. In Telugu, when or eppudu is used to show the time at which something happened. Here, the stairs crumbled down in flames at the time when Bayaji was about to come down them. This conjunction helps connect events that happen at the same time or in sequence. Conclusion. We've now learned how to combine pairs of sentences using 5 important conjunctions: because endukante, as nattu, since nati nunchi, if unte, and when eppudu. Each conjunction serves a specific purpose. Because and since show reasons or causes. As shows simultaneous actions or reasons. If shows conditions. One shows time relationships. By mastering these conjunctions, you can create more complex and meaningful sentences in English. Practice combining sentences using these conjunctions to improve your language skills. Thank you for your attention.